Ever wondered how to make a healthy recipe using simple ingredients? Today, we're going to explore a nourishing drink recipe passed down from my grandmother. This powerhouse of health calls for ingredients found in most kitchens: an onion, a few cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger root, half a liter of water, a teaspoon of turmeric, a dash of black pepper, a lemon, and a teaspoon of honey. So, are you ready to dive into this world of wellness? Stay tuned to learn how to make this power-packed health-boosting drink. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Now let's dive into the recipe. Begin with peeling and chopping one onion, a few cloves of garlic, and a piece of ginger root. Ensure your knife is sharp and your chopping board is steady. Remember, preparation is essential to a seamless cooking experience. Now it's time to combine these ingredients. Pour half a liter of water into a pot and heat it until it boils. This might take a short while, so feel free to sing your favorite song while you wait. Once the water starts to bubble, it's time to add in our chopped ingredients. Throw in the onion, garlic, and ginger. Watch as they sizzle and swirl in the boiling water, their flavors merging together to make the foundation of our health drink. Now let's introduce some color and flavor. Sprinkle in a teaspoon of turmeric. This golden spice not only imparts a vivid color but also brings numerous health benefits. Next, add a dash of black pepper. It might seem insignificant, but this small spice is potent and also assists our bodies in absorbing the turmeric better. It's time for a citrusy twist. Squeeze the juice of one lemon into the mix. Observe as the droplets fizz and burst, their tangy goodness enriching our drink. Lemon is an excellent source of vitamin C and adds a refreshing hint to our concoction. Our concluding ingredient is a teaspoon of honey. This natural sweetener balances the flavors and adds a touch of smoothness. Stir the concoction until the honey dissolves entirely. Once everything is well combined, lower the heat and let it simmer for a few moments. Allow the flavors to really blend. When it's ready, strain the mixture into a cup. The aroma should be captivating, a blend of spicy, sweet, and tangy notes. And voila! A straightforward yet powerful health drink ready in no time. Savor it while it's hot and feel the warmth radiate through your body, rejuvenating you from within. Remember, maintaining good health is a journey, and each sip is a stride in the right direction. So, that was a quick and easy health drink recipe with everyday ingredients. A simple blend of onion, garlic, ginger, water, turmeric, black pepper, lemon, and honey makes a powerful health drink. Packed with antioxidants, this concoction aids digestion, supercharges your immunity, and offers anti-inflammatory benefits. It's a testament to the wisdom of our grandmothers who understood the importance of natural remedies. Thank you for joining in. Remember, a healthy body is a happy body. So keep experimenting with healthy recipes and stay fit.